Good afternoon, tech buddies. Today we received a service request from a client. She said her pool heater was leaking lots of water. The technician showed up thinking it was a typical pool heat pump client with normal condensation. No, water was gushing out from the bottom of this pool heater. The technician recovered the pool heater, took it back to our lab for a forensic inspection to see if we can get it covered under factory warranty. No go. The tube bundle was completely eroded. Poor chemistry. Guys, you got to use your LSI or whatever calculation you do to make sure the chemistry is right. So the tube bundle was damaged. The refractory, which is white insulation, saturated, burners saturated. This pool heater is a boat anchor. Someone's buying this customer a new heater, not the factory. Guys, let's do better. Let's stay sharp.